Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. One of the most common questions we're asked on training is how we can customize the name of the file that's open in the tree. The way we can do this is by going to our preferences, under the user interface, under the tree menu, and scroll right to the bottom. Down here you'll see something called display name customization, and then the object you want this to apply to. I'm going to apply this to a physical product because I've got an assembly open. However, you can do this for drawings and for parts as well. I'm going to move the title, the maturity state and the revision onto the displayed attributes. And you can see here that I've got a separator set up just for ease of use. These can be applied up and down depending on how I want them to be. You can see here it doesn't take effect straight away, so I need to go into the search and reopen the data, and now you can see it's applied. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the YouTube or follow me on LinkedIn for more tips and tricks.